So now it's time to paint the hair of a child. I prefer to start from a really light semi-dry layer when we work on hair. The first layer, I would prefer to use a really light ultramarine blue wash. I don't like using plain black color, but this is going to be one of those moments when we actually will apply just a plain black mixed with blue or purple. So why did I decided to paint hair in the last moment, not before I painted the hat? Well, because darker layer can always cover the lighter one. Basically, you can always cover the brown paint, the one we used to paint the hat, with the black one and make the shape of the hat the way you need it. But if you started from painting hair and made a mistake in shaping the hat, because, well, you don't see the part of it because the hat is on it and covering, so it won't be possible to cover the mistake with the brown pigment we used before. You basically can't change the shape of the hat that you painted in black using lighter tone. But now we have the perfect shape of the hat because we already painted the hat with the brown, and now we have a perfect shape of the head of the child. So the only thing we have to do is just basically insert the black pigment into blank space. Another reason why I decided to paint the hair in the last moment is because now when we're working with a semi-wet brush using black pigment, because it's semi-wet, we can use a clean brush later on to kind of wash out the edges of the hair and wash it out inside the hat, creating a shadow in the place where hat meets the head. So it will look more natural because you will just literally wash out the edges. Alright, so now let your paint and dry, your eyes rest, and go take a break.